This video explains the calibration tutorial for the CINENORM series monitors. Before starting calibration, please prepare a computer, a colorimeter, an HDMI cable, a USB drive, and the monitor that needs to be calibrated. Additionally, please ensure the computer used supports dual-screen display and the USB drive meets USB 2.0 standards, has 64 GB or less storage, and is formatted as FAT or FAT32. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the computer's HDMI port and the other end to the monitor's HDMI in port. Insert the USB drive into the computer. Turn on the monitor and perform an initialization setup to ensure all monitor parameters are in their default state. Click on Panel Calibration and set Display Gamut to Bypass. Adjust the monitor brightness to its maximum level. It is recommended to let the monitor warm up for 15 minutes before starting calibration, which helps reduce calibration errors. Also, ensure the monitor has sufficient power. Connect the colorimeter to a computer USB port and place the probe in the center of the monitor screen. Now, begin the calibration process on the computer. The calibration software used in this demonstration is Calman. Double-click to open Calman. Set the workflow to Calibration 3D LUT. Click Start Session. Click 3D LUT only. Click Find Meter, then click Search to start automatically identifying the calibration device. If the colorimeter model is not correctly identified, you can add the device manually. If the colorimeter is correctly identified, proceed to the next step. Click Find Display. For manufacturer, select Portrait Displays. For model, select Cube Generator 3D LUT. Click Connect. Click Next. For EIF, select Power and change the value to 2, 4. Click Next. Click Source, then click Open Pattern Window to open the test pattern window. Drag the test pattern window to the display interface on the monitor side and maximize the window. Click 3D LUT Calibration. Click Article. For file format, select Cube Common, Cube Formats. For output cube size, select 17 points. In file path, choose the export path for the calibration file. The file name should use a combination of numbers and letters. For calibration type, select Lighting LUT. Click OK to start the calibration. The calibration process takes about 6 minutes. During this time, do not operate the computer or monitor, or move the colorimeter probe. A completion window will pop up after successful calibration. Click OK. Locate the calibration file according to the file path set earlier. Copy the file to the USB drive and safely eject the USB drive. Insert the USB drive containing the calibration file into the monitor's USB port. Turn on the monitor, click Settings. Click Panel Calibration and change the display gamut to Rect 709. Click Load User Calibration File and select the calibration file based on the import path. Once the progress bar finishes loading, the import is successful. Place the probe in the center of the monitor screen. Click Post Cal Capture. Click Source. Click Open Pattern Window to open the test pattern window. Drag the test pattern window to the display interface on the monitor side and maximize the window. Click Read Series to start the verification. The verification process takes about 70 seconds. During this time, do not operate the computer or monitor, or move the colorimeter probe. After verification is complete, check the measured delta E values to determine the accuracy of the monitor calibration. A smaller value indicates less color difference and more accurate colors. The above standard data is for reference only. That is the complete content of the CINENORM series monitor calibration tutorial.